Hello. We know through the history of humanity that ideas once deemed crazy theories have actually changed the world. The technology that converts water, which has always been by our side and was never considered special, into fuel, is now becoming a reality. I will now briefly introduce the A-Fuel solution and PPH services, presented by Beyond ENERTECH. Currently, humanity is facing significant challenges related to the climate crisis and energy security. The prices of fossil fuels are unstable, and regulations on carbon emissions are becoming increasingly stringent. Hydrogen is being recognized as the most important alternative energy source that can solve the energy problems of this era. However, existing hydrogen production methods still fail to address the issues of high costs and carbon emissions. Hydrogen is being highlighted as the most important alternative energy source in this era. Gray hydrogen has a high carbon content. Blue hydrogen has high carbon capture and storage costs, and green hydrogen has burdensome electricity costs. To overcome this limitation, a company in Incheon, South Korea, has been conducting research for nearly 10 years. Beyond ENERTECH has developed a new paradigm that views water itself as an energy source since its establishment in 2016. During this time, it has developed a total solution, including self-generation technology needed for hydrogen production, water treatment technology, combustion devices, and power generation technology, and in 2026, it changed its name to Beyond ENERTECH and entered the full-scale commercialization phase. Currently, we are pursuing large-scale investment attraction and the construction of a demo plant. So, what is A-Fuel from Beyond ENERTECH? A-Fuel is a high-efficiency hydrogen fuel made from water. When 1 liter of water is electrolyzed, it is converted into 1,860 liters of gas. This gas has 3 times the calorific value of gasoline and more than 5 times its explosive power, and it returns to water after combustion. It is completely pollution-free. There are 2 core technologies. First, it is the MCR microclustering reformer water pre-treatment technology that changes the structure of water. This is a groundbreaking technology that surpasses the thermodynamic limit of electrolysis, which is an operating voltage of 1.23 V. Second, it is a self-generating technology that produces the power needed for water electrolysis. It is a self-generating system that integrates a motor, flywheel, permanent magnet generator, sensors, a control system that manages the motor's operation, and a simultaneous charging and discharging battery with an output control system. Through the self-generating system, we produce the power consumed for water electrolysis and reuse some of the generated power for fuel production through a loopback system. As a result, we have brought the raw material costs for producing electricity and energy, as well as the electricity costs for producing the raw materials, close to zero. The flame temperature of this fuel is 2,800 degrees, which is about 700 degrees higher than the flame temperature of regular hydrogen. There is no soot due to complete combustion, and there are no emissions of any pollutants such as CO, NOx, and SOx. This is a true green energy that perfectly meets the 100 and net zero goals. Product and system configuration. Beyond ENERTECH provides a total energy solution, not just a simple fuel. The entire system operates as follows. After processing various types of water, including seawater, freshwater, and atmospheric water with MCR, hydrogen fuel is produced through a high-efficiency electrolysis device. The produced hydrogen fuel is converted into heat and electricity through various self-developed devices and solutions, including engine power generation systems, burner and flash compound systems, micro-steam turbines, hydrogen fuel rods, a new thermal engine with no flame, explosion, noise, or pollution emissions. Since the electricity generated in all processes is self-circulated, external power supply is almost unnecessary. This system covers everything from large industrial plants to small devices for special purposes. In addition, we supply a compound system that is linked to waste treatment facilities, which can be installed as an addition to existing facilities. This compound can generate new power from existing wastewater treatment facilities, food waste treatment facilities, and waste incineration plants, or produce more than twice the power compared to existing systems. Beyond ENERTECH provides not only equipment sales and supply, but also services. This is the PPH Power Plant Hosting Service that integrates leasing, installation, operation, and maintenance of power systems. Customers only need to invest a very small initial capital and can receive stable electricity and heat from the PPH Center operated by Beyond ENERTECH, allowing them to use eco-friendly power generated by themselves instead of purchasing electricity. The application areas are very broad: high-power demand data centers, industrial complexes, waste-to-energy WT facilities, BIE building integrated energy, smart factories that retrofit buildings into energy plants, aiming to provide the world's cheapest green hydrogen and energy supply services, achieving both economic viability and environmental sustainability. Beyond ENERTECH's vision is clear. Water, which exists as an infinite resource on Earth, is to be converted into energy. We transform water into energy, creating a new way of life for humanity. New energy, new life. In the domestic market, we are promoting large-scale projects linked to the RE100 policy, and internationally, we have already secured business bases in Germany, the Philippines, and Indonesia, gradually expanding our reach. Additionally, we plan to strengthen our technological leadership through continuous R&D, including the integration of methane and hydrogen technologies. This technology is not just a simple idea, it has already been implemented and will become the spark of a realistic energy revolution. For more detailed technical information and collaboration inquiries, please check the official website of Beyond ENERTECH. If today's video was helpful, feel free to leave a message on our website or contact us at any time. Please join us in the wave of future energy being created by Beyond ENERTECH. Thank you